Hey guys, welcome. Today we are gonna make that awesome green egg table right behind me. It's sleek, it's modern, it looks great. You can build it for a large or an XL. Today I'm building it for a large because that's what I own, but I have plans for both models. So if you want plans for both, or either one I should say, you can go to searedandsmoked.com, find the same plan set. I'll put links down below, but today I'm gonna show you how to build it, and it's gonna go pretty quick. So if you want a really detailed version, detailed plan set, and an expanded video, that'll be offered with the plan set. So I'm selling them both as a package in one low price. So let's get started with the build. It's pretty easy. This is a weekend project, so start it Saturday, finish Sunday. You'd be grilling by the end of the weekend if you have a friend to help you lift that green egg into it. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm excited. Let's do it. All right, so we got our table legs wrapped up. We got 4 really solid corners to work from now. So all we have to do is build our body, which is just 3 simple framing pieces, assemble this, and we'll have the body done, and we can start moving on to the fun stuff, tabletop, finishing work, making it look good. Let's keep moving. we're moving along now. We're gonna start working on the tabletop. And what we're doing is we're taking 2x8 cedar pieces and we're gonna join them together with wood and using a biscuit joiner. So in order to do this, we just need to trim each side of the boards so that we've got a nice square edge to glue to. So we're gonna use the table saw to rip about 1/4 inch off of each piece. So they're starting out about 7 1/4 inches wide, and then when we're done, they're gonna be around 6 3/4 inches wide. If they're 6 1/2, that's okay too. We have some wiggle room to work with. We just wanna make sure that the overall width is over 30 inches, which is gonna be over that easily by at least 3, 4, 5 inches when we're done and we glue these panels up. So I got some 2x8. It's a little over 6 feet now. I trimmed it down from 8 feet. Trimmed off the sides I didn't like, so it's at 78 inches. So we're gonna rip them, glue them, and then we'll trim up the overall countertop to make it look a little nicer after that. So let's rip some 2x8s, get them all squared up, ready to glue. All right, we're on to the finishing stages. I just got done finishing the tabletop, so it looks pretty sweet. Hopefully it lasts a long time. I put 4 to 5 coats of this exterior grade sealer on it. So exterior 450 by General Finishes. I buy it at the Woodsmith store. It's where I get all my products like that. But we're ready to put the tabletop on. We're gonna just pre-drill some pilot holes, because we're going to mount up through the 2x4 stud, so we don't have any holes on our countertop. We're going to mount it from the bottom. That way it stays looking sharp, nothing for dirt to get into, etc. So show you that, and then after that, we just have to do some siding work and a couple pieces of trim, and we're ready for the egg to be dropped in. All right, we are done with the table build now. We actually got the green egg sitting here. Lucky having a friend to come over and help me. Thanks, Dustin, appreciate it. And yeah, it's complete. I think it turned out great. I like the modern look of it, using cedar and building our own countertop. Turned out really nice. And it's a pretty easy build. It only takes about a full day with like an overnight curing time for the glue. Make sure the countertop's nice and set up before you start playing with it too much. And if you like what you see, you can get the full plans at searedandsmoked.com or grilltableplans.com. And just go to the top, you'll see links for grill tables, either of those locations. And I'll put links down below as well for this table build. And I should have some more popping up too in the future for, even if I don't build them, some new table plans if you're interested in other options. And I'll also have an option if you can buy all the table plans I have for one low price. So if you're not sure what table plans you want to build and you want to look at the plans in more detail before you decide, I have that option too. So you can get all the plans I have, every single one of them, for one low price. Check that out at searedandsmoked.com or grilltables.com, and subscribe if you want more stuff like this in the future. I'm usually cooking out here and sometimes building. That's what I do. That's what I love. And until next time, we'll see you later at Seared and Smoked, where food tastes better outdoors.